Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX, guys, and we'll show you guys if your blower motor fan, this is the fan, guys, for the air conditioner or the heater, does not work, guys, which fuse to check. You also have relays that you need to check. We'll have a video about that, but today's video will show you guys where to find the fuse. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, hit that subscribe button. Give a like that video, and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. So let's go ahead, start on it, and show you where you can find that fuse now and how to replace it. So first step will be to open the hood of your Lincoln MKX. Second step, guys, okay, next to your car battery you will find a box. Okay, this is your fuse box, that's what we're looking at. And how you open that thing, you have one clip here that you need to push in, and then lift the front end up and pull the cover up. Now you can disconnect the cover, that way it will be a little bit more convenient, but later you need to reconnect it. And you can see, guys, you have the fuse numbers printed on the back side of the cover, and if you face it that way, it will be corresponding to the fuse layout here, so you know what you're looking for. The fuse, guys, that we need today for the blower motor fan, guys, it's actually pretty big fuse, guys. It's a 40 amp fuse, and it's fuse number 63, guys. Fuse number 63. So looking at this one here, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuse on that bottom row here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 40 amp fuse, guys. It's this fuse right here. Let me show you how to replace it now. Okay, I just get pliers, grab it. If you need to buy a replacement fuse, guys, we have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please do check it out, guys. They're very affordable price for a whole set, not just one. When you remove them, that glass might come apart, okay, because it will be stuck. But if it's a broken fuse, you don't even need to worry about it. Sometimes you can just tell if it's burned by looking at it. Other times you may use a voltmeter to retest it, okay, if you need to. So I'll just show you quick how to test those, guys, okay, so you know what to expect. This is, guys, the voltmeter right here. If you're guys on the market for a good voltmeter, consider this one. It's amazing. It comes with a true RMS, very good voltmeter, guys. And if the fuse is good, okay, it will show, guys, okay, 0 and a beep, okay, when I touch those two terminals. If it's not good, it will just stay like that. So ours, guys, is a good fuse. So our problem is somewhere else. It could be a blown fan, a blower motor fan, or it could be, guys, okay, it could be bad switch, or it could be bad resistor. So we will have all that, how to diagnose it and all that stuff on the channel. Make sure you check it out. But pretty much, guys, okay, that's how we do it. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you having that problem. Don't forget to put your cover on. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.